My name is Bernd Groß and I'm the CEO of Cumulocity, which is this M2M spin-off of Nokia Siemens Network. So I'm generally, if you look at the current market, the current application are driven mainly out of three reasons or three motivational factors why you deploy M2M applications. The first one I would define as business process improvements, business enhancements. So you're really looking from an end-to-end perspective and you have a business transformational challenge where you deploy new technology like sensors and M2M devices and integrate that to your back-end system in order to optimize your operational systems. So that is one motivation. The other motivation is actually two more emerging. One is about new revenues, new revenue opportunities related mainly also to data monetization strategies. So where you really not just add machine-to-machine solutions for optimizing your business, but also for offering new services on top of it towards your customers. And I think that is a very important domain as such. And finally, the third group of categories is actually the third category is about new business models and often related to usage-based pricing or event-based pricing. I think usage-based insurance is one great example in that category. And in addition to that, we have to look into the future. So we have these three motivational factors or three categories what we do with applications today in the M2M domain. But how about the future? How's the future looking like in the M2M ecosystem? The third category is about new business models, really about introducing a completely new business model, often related to usage-based insurance, usage-based pricing, usage event-based pricing. I think usage-based insurance is a great example of that category. And then obviously the question of my speech this morning was really about how about the future? So we have these three categories of machine-to-machine applications currently, today, but how's the future looking like? So how do we develop the business forward in order to accommodate future challenges in that industry? And I see the future as an internet future of M2M. So it's really the internet who plays a fundamental role, and we need as the industry move into that domain in order to compete also with new competition coming from the internet side and really helping us then taking internet strategies. Two challenges there. Often consumer-based internet services are free. If you look at your own services, they are free to use. Second one, enterprise applications offered in the internet are free to try. So you need to have the platforms, technologies in place to really offer 30 days, 3 months, free try pilots. And for that you need to have an operational environment with very low marginal cost. Otherwise you won't be able on a global base to offer free to try enterprise services. So our key growth areas in that overall ecosystem of machine-to-machine is really seen by telematics and industrial retail areas, as well as to some extent healthcare. And what we do typically is we not just provide applications for that domain, but we also help some of the existing vertical leaders, because if you think about industry segments in the M2M domain, they're not new. We're not inventing healthcare industry vertical new or automotive in the telematics area. They're existing companies, global players, and what we do is typically we work very closely together with them in order to position them as an ecosystem player in that vertical, and they're using not only our applications but also our cloud-based application and device platform in order to stimulate that vertical with new opportunities. So the M2M World Congress is one of the key events to visit. What I really see is the whole industry is coming together. It's an industry event, a lot of players from different verticals, from different segments, from different perspectives of the M2M value chain. So I think it is really something exciting to be here, because you have many different discussions from different industry stakeholders. That is very, very seldom an opportunity really to meet up key people from the whole value chain. So I really think the M2M World Congress is one of the biggest and one of the greatest events in the industry.